Hobby Wan Kenobi here. Real name is Jason McChristian. I wanted to give you an update. My family and I moved to a new home. It's a larger space and actually has allowed me to have a larger work area for my hobbies. However, my airbrushing station is not set up yet. It's going to be in our garage, and our garage is still quite full of stuff. So that said, I'm not going to be able to continue the intruder for the moment because where I last left the intruder, I actually had decals on. And at this point, the next step would be to spray gloss coat and prepare it for any oil washes. So rather than wait and simply not put out any videos, I decided to go ahead and start a new model. It is the AFV Club M54A2. It's a cargo truck. And then I think in the next couple of weeks, I should be able to get my airbrushing station set up. So I'm really excited to start on this cargo truck. I found a really interesting example of one from the Reforger exercises in Germany. It's specifically in 1982. And it's going to be a winter verdant Murdoch scheme, camo scheme. The first video for that build should be up this weekend. Someday I'll actually give a tour of what I've got going on here. You can see I have other hobbies other than just simply scale models. I'd like to do videos for vintage Lego sets, which I collect, as well as Star Wars, G.I. Joe, and Transformer vintage toys. But we'll see. For now, it's models, and I'm perfectly fine with that. I will revisit the intruder. Once the airbrushing station is ready to go, I'll get that gloss coat on, and then we'll be able to continue some videos and hopefully complete it pretty soon here. That said, once the airbrushing station is set up, that allows me also to be able to continue work on the Harrier, which I had put aside for a while as well. Thank you again for following the channel. Thank you to you new subscribers. And please feel free to like the videos and feel free to comment. I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, bye.